Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Classroom, where we help you to level up your writing skills. In today's video, we are diving into analytical words that can instantly elevate your writing and help you score higher grades. Whether you're crafting an essay, preparing research paper, or aiming for top marks on a project, knowing how to use these words effectively can make a huge difference. So, if you're ready to learn some of these powerful words to take your writing to the next level, stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our tips. First, let's talk about what analytical words are. Analytical words are specific terms that allow you to discuss ideas, clear, insightful and sophisticated way. They add depth to your analysis by helping you describe, elevate and connect ideas, which is essential for high-level writing. These words also help the reader to follow your reasoning and see the connections that you're making. Think of the words like implies, demonstrates or suggests. They don't just tell you, the reader, what's happening, they show your understanding of the material and the nuances behind it. By using analytical language, you not only sound more convincing but also more professional, which professors, teachers and graders love to see. Now that we know what analytical words are, let's go over some of the essential ones and how to use them effectively.
Now let's see what we have for number 1. Demonstrates. Use demonstrates when you want to show proof of a concept or idea to your argument. For example, this data demonstrates the connection between healthy eating and academic performance. It directs and adds credibility. Number 2, signifies. Uses a word or a sign to make the meaning clear. For example, the author's repeated reference to the broken clock signifies the stagnant nature of the protagonist's life, unable to move forward or escape their past. Number 3, portrays. Shows or represents something, someone in a certain way. For example, in the novel, the author portrays the antagonists as a misunderstood character, shedding light on their motivations and complexities. Number 4, mirrors. A similar or the same visual image. For example, the poet's use of stormy weather mirrors the character's inner turmoil, reflecting the chaos of their own emotions. Number 5, reflects. Exposes the same or similar theme or idea. For example, the film's dystopian setting reflects society's anxieties about technology and the loss of the personal privacy. Number 6, represents. Takes an idea and puts it forward in a different light. For example, the painting represents the conflict between modernity and tradition, capturing this tension through contrasting colors and textures. Number 7, symbolizes. Takes a visual image and uses it for a deeper meaning. For example, the dove symbolizes peace throughout the novel, appearing whenever a moment of calm or reconciliation is reached. Number 8, implies. Suggests something beyond the obvious. For example, the author's description of the empty, echoing rooms implies a sense of loneliness that pervades the main character's life. Number 9, highlights. Draws clear attention to word by making it stand out. Example, the director's choice to use close-up shots highlights the character's intense emotions, emphasizing their vulnerability in critical moments. Number 10, identifies. Provides the clear meaning of something specific. For example, the study identifies 3 key factors contributing to climate change, providing a clear framework for future research. Number 11, evokes. Brings about a strong feeling or idea. The poem evokes a sense of nostalgia, drawing readers into memories of simpler, more carefree times. Number 12, emphasizes. Draws attention to something. The article emphasizes the importance of early childhood education, underscoring its impact on lifelong learning and development. Number 13, exhibits. Displays a certain attitude or tendency. For example, the protagonist exhibits resilience in the face of adversity, showing a remarkable ability to adapt and overcome. Number 14, conveys. Gets across a message, idea, or a theory. For example, through descriptive language, the author conveys a sense of awe and reverence for nature, illustrating its power and beauty. Number 15, advocates. Puts forward a particular opinion, viewpoint, or a belief. In her speech, the activist advocates for renewable energy solutions, arguing that they are essential for sustainable development. Number 16, evidences. Provides evidence, proof of an argument or for an argument or a theory or for a theory. For example, the data evidences a significant correlation between exercise and mental well-being, supporting the hypothesis presented. Number 17, illustrates. Creates a distinct image. The author illustrates the harsh realities of war by detailing the protagonist's physical and emotional struggles on the battlefield. Number 18, suggests. Suggests is great for pointing out interpretations that aren't obvious but can be inferred. For instance, the author's use of dark imagery suggests a deeper sense of despair. It implies insight without stating it directly. Number 19, contrast. Contrast is powerful for comparing ideas, theories, or themes. For example, the author contrasts rural and urban life to highlight the isolation of modern society. It allows you to explore differences effectively. And the last one, reveals. This word is great for pointing out what is exposed or shown within a text or the data. For example, the survey reveals a strong preference for online learning among students. It's clear, assertive, and adds weight to your point.
And there you have it. Analytical words are a fantastic way to strengthen your writing and show that you're not just repeating information but actually thinking critically about it. Now it's your turn to try incorporating few of these words into your next assignment and see how much stronger your arguments become. If you have any queries or anything, please do not forget to go to our Easy English Classroom website, or you can find everything in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you soon.